Hi everybody, it's Nunu, your friendly teacher guide, and my purpose in this video is to provide an overview of the 4 vignettes that you will write in this class. I'm going to use vignette number 1 as an example. Now, first question, what is a vignette? A vignette is a brief description of someone or something, and we're going to find out just what kind of vignette you will write in this class. So I'm going to scroll down and we can see all the directions here. They're very detailed, very useful, and I'm not going to read them to you. I'm going to ask you to read them to yourself very carefully from beginning to end. I'm just going to point out a few key pieces of information to keep in mind as you complete this assignment. And number 1 is our class rule. Use artificial intelligence, AI, appropriately. Please read this class rule very carefully. We want AI to be like an angel with a halo helping you to improve your writing, not like this devil with horns right here, which will harm your writing and not allow you to realize your potential as a creative writer. Okay, so read that rule very carefully here. Now, the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to discuss the vignette. Our vignette is always due by 11:59 p.m. on Saturday, and our vignette is very tiny. It is just 125 words, about half a page. And why am I having you write something that's so tiny, such a brief description? Because there's an added layer of complexity to this vignette that you're going to write. It's not simply a brief description of someone or something. You're going to need to make sure that your writing, your vignette, those 125 words, includes a conflict, a problem that is resolved or remains unresolved by the end of your writing. Now, how can you do that in 125 words? Is it possible? It absolutely is. Why am I making you do that? I want to encourage you as a writer to immediately introduce a conflict or a problem in a work, and that's why I'm limiting this work to 125 words. You're going to have to get to the conflict immediately. Conflicts in a literary work, they make something happen. Without a conflict, there is no plot, there is nothing for a character to work out. So conflicts are super important. Now, I do have an example of a vignette right here, and I'm going to click on this. You can see it pop up, and it's right here. It happens to be exactly 125 words. Do you have to write exactly 125 words? You do not, but you may not exceed 125 words. So read this example here. I think you'll find it helpful, and I'm going to return to our directions right here, and I'm going to point out a couple more things to you. First, you have a peer evaluation that is due by Sunday, so please make sure you complete this peer evaluation. It's extremely important and it's worth a lot of points. Peer evaluations, the peer review process, allows us not to have one teacher in the class with a single perspective, but multiple teachers with multiple perspectives. Through the peer review process, peer evaluations, we really stock our class with prime teachers, with you and everybody else in this class, and we all learn from each other. We're all teachers and students at the same time. Okay, now, if you have any questions or concerns about this assignment, I'm over here in Inbox. Send me an email, or what you can do is come over here to Home, and you will scroll down to the office hours icon right here. Click on it, and you can learn my Zoom office hours, and if you want, we can Zoom face-to-face in cyberspace, and I can chat with you. We can address any questions or concerns. Okay, so who am I? I'm Nunu. I'm your friendly teacher guide, and I hope that this video was useful to you.